YouTube channel. We are having we are having a war, and our friend is going to the south. I got to run because I do not want to die. He's over there. If you can see him, not the kid running, the kid with the gun behind him. That's Bino. He wants to kill us. And our friend John is a weakling that's retreating. See ya, John! I will not die today. This shall be my day of success. I will not die. You hear me, Bino? I will not die. Hey Alex. Is Bino gonna shoot us down? Okay, I'm running. Except running towards him. Okay, this is interesting. Oh, fudge. But you missed. No, this is a YouTube channel video, so only the one that's not taking the videos is not shot. If you are taking the video, you get shot. You got that, John? I will not get shot. I will get alive. Chase him down, Bino. Bino. How did you get him when he's that far? No, John. If you don't understand it, they're saying it. If you shoot, he'll catch it. I really oh. Did you shoot? Oh, fudge. Run, Fatty, run! Man, this guy's a moron. Oh no, I'm screwed. What do you want?
I'm gonna hide.
Okay, I'm probably gonna run. Yeah, I definitely need to run. This is a war. This is a war zone, people. A war zone. So thanks for watching, and I hope I survive.